Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 40 premium food logo, and you see here one zip file or RAR file in 83.6 MB, just 83.6 MB, and here is 993 MB, near the 1 GB, and you download this file. I have already compressed you for you, and you see here I open this file, and you see 954 MBs and total 40 files. So this is magic, so I have already uploaded, so I delete it. So you see here the main 910 MB. So you can compress on WinRAR files, WinRAR software. Here is 40 foot color. These files in PSD EPS and AI for Adobe Illustrator user and Photoshop user. You can see here, and here is just foot logo. Like a newborn baby or your generation's logo, or anywhere like foot logo. You see, in hard foot logo you can edit it in Photoshop or in Adobe Illustrator. So I have open is Photoshop, so drag here. You see here layers, and here is background. So you can change color, use magic tool, select same color, and then you can import your own color, like red, backspace, red. These files are in CMYK color, mean printable files. So you can more deep edit in Adobe Illustrator. Here is lost. Wow, green, and these are same white color, and you can edit in to Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Simple change background, apply gradients overlay, gradients, and right here. Okay, retail, reverse, and 833. Okay, amazing background. You can apply a gradients overlay simply. For example, wow, depend your own choice. Okay, and I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.